exactly what I'm gonna make this morning, but I'm hungry and I want something to eat. So let's open up the fridge and check it out and see what we got in there. So let's get started. Towel. Olive oil in there. Let's see. One more light. That might help out a little more. All right. Paper towel, push olive oil around in there. That should be pretty good. Okay. I guess we'll do this. Take that off. And I guess let's switch hands here. Oh, I'll get this all broke loose here. Put that in there. Get all of it off there I can. We're saying chili. That's chili, all right. Sure is. Break it up a little bit. I want to scratch the pan with a fork though. Alright, so we got that all put in there. Wow. Open this up. See what we got in here. Oh yeah, there we go. A little bit of onions. Let's put all that in there too. Do when you run out of stuff. You gotta go to the grocery store, you don't got nothing to eat. Alright, so we got that, and we got that. Okay, I'm gonna stop the camera for just a second so I can put the eggs in. Alright, we got the eggs in there. Take the fork and just mess it all up a little bit. Leftover chili, 3 eggs. I don't know what this is going to turn out to be, but this is just another spin with cooking with Cobby. I don't know. We'll see what it is. Some people may think it's not too good. Some people might just think it's good. I don't know. But we'll find out if it's good or not. Then we're going to put some, go over there and get some spices. We'll get some garlic powder. Let me see. On this, where's the garlic at? Is this it? No, that one's empty. There, salt. Put some garlic salt in there, or powder, or whatever you want to call it. Powder, I guess, not salt. I have both over there, but I like using the powder better than the regular salt. Yeah. Hard to take these lids off one-handed. Alright, put a bunch of that on top. Alright. Never have enough garlic, right? Alright, so we got the garlic. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna put some ranch in it. Alright. Put some ranch in there. So you see what the whole ingredients is: chili, eggs, onions, garlic powder, and ranch dressing. And now stir it up a little bit. Boy, this is what you do when you don't have nothing to eat, okay? You make something. Make something new. Don't be afraid to try something. Just do it and see how it comes out. I've never ate this before. I've never made this before. And just mix it up a little bit more here, and I'll throw the cheese on top, and we're gonna put it in the air fryer, and we're gonna see what this tastes like after it's all done. Okay, next thing is leftover cheese. This is all the cheese I have left. Gotta go to the store and buy some more stuff, but when you're hungry, you're hungry. So, what kind of cheese was this? kind of cheese it is. And we're gonna put some cheese in there. Not very much cheese. It's like a piece and a half. Kind of tear it up with one hand here. Usually I put this on a tripod, but I just thought, what the heck, I'm gonna just do this off the top of my head and see what happens here. Turns out pretty good. I'll put it on YouTube. I'm saying that right now, it's probably already on YouTube because it probably tasted good. I think it's gonna taste good. Anyhow, let's break that up. Kind of hard to do this one-handed, especially when you're left-handed. Not bad for a lefty. All right, got that all taken care of. So now let's turn the air fryer on, and I'm going to bring it down to 12 minutes. And I'm going to throw it in the air fryer. And we'll come back in 12 minutes. We'll see what we have. Should start here in a second. Supposed to be 12 minutes. 12 minutes, okay. There it goes. There she goes. She's cooking now. We'll come back in 12 minutes and see what we got. Alright, she's all done cooking. We're gonna pull her out and we're gonna take a look at it. There we go, pulling it out. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Made from scratch, just, you know, just leftovers that were in the fridge, and there you have it. I'm gonna call this, I don't know, chili omelet. We're gonna take her out of the pan. I'm gonna put it on the plate, put some ketchup on it, and I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. I didn't think it was gonna be that good, but chili and egg and onion and garlic powder, olive oil, and some cheese on top for leftover stuff in the fridge. That made a pretty good omelet. I think I'll call it the Kabi chili omelet. That's good. It's really good. I thank everybody for watching my videos. I thank for everybody tuning in. Everybody stay safe. And as soon as the desert opens back up where I can go ride mini bikes and stuff, I'll be making some of those videos. Everything's closed down still because of the fires. We are starting to get some rain. Hopefully the rain will make it so everything opens up again. And oh, that's about it. I got to get at this omelet and finish it off. It turned out really well. And this is Kabi Badger out for this time. Until next time, God bless. Talk to you guys all later. And thanks for watching my videos. I didn't think it was going to be that good, but chili and egg and onion and garlic powder, olive oil, and some cheese on top for leftover stuff in the fridge. That made a pretty good omelet. I think I'll call it the Kabi chili omelet. That's good. It's really good. I thank everybody for watching my videos. I thank for everybody tuning in. Everybody stay safe. And as soon as the desert opens back up where I can go ride mini bikes and stuff, I'll be making some of those videos. Everything's closed down still because of the fires. We are starting to get some rain. Hopefully the rain will make it so everything opens up again. And oh, that's about it. I got to get at this omelet and finish it off. It turned out really well.
Cobby Badger out for this time. Until next time, God bless. Talk to you guys all later, and thanks for watching my videos.